Then once you got it to the position that you want it, you're good to go then. That's simple. Hello my friend, and welcome back. Today we are showing you a car cup holder phone mount. Simple setup, ideal viewing, and safer driving. So let's go ahead and show you what it looks like and then show you how it works inside your vehicle. Alright, so it is a very simple setup design. So let's get my cell phone so we can demonstrate this a little bit for y'all. Now, this gets pulled out. These get pulled out by pressing the button on the back, and then you can close it. So press the button on the back to extend left and right. Place your phone down in, and then all you do is press this until it's tight. Press the bottom until it's tight, how you like it, and that's how it would be. Now this lever over here is going to allow you to rotate this all around in all kinds of different directions. When you have the direction that you want, just go ahead and start tightening this on the side here until it's, don't make it super tight, you don't want to break it, it just needs to be tight enough it doesn't move. Now this would go down inside your cup holder. Once you have it down inside your cup holder, you're going to twist this, and it's going to extend these little legs, as you can see here. And let's say my hand is the cup holder. Right now, you put it in, you can easily loosen it up. You make this tight until it can't go anywhere, and then it's stuck in your cup holder. And you can extend this out pretty far and bring it back in if you ever need to take this back out. So let's go ahead, install this, and show you what it looks like. All right, very simple. Get your cup holder. Now you just twist. Twist it until it's tight and not gonna fall over. And that's it. Now we're gonna loosen this up. As you guys saw, we didn't have it tight enough. So you're gonna want it tight enough. We do have rubber inserts, so if you have rubber inserts, keep in mind you're gonna want it extra tight. A little hard doing this with one hand, and if it's not as deep like that cup holder is, then you're gonna want it even tighter. All right, so just like that. Then once you got it to the position that you want it, you're good to go then. That's simple. As you guys can see, I'm shaking it pretty hard and it's not coming loose. So you just got to get it the right tightness depending on your vehicle.